people are finding it hard to believe that they can lose that amount of weight without, extreme exercise, without extreme diet. But in this video, I'm also going to be telling you another thing I did, yes, that helped me lose weight within that, short period of time. Mind you, most of these tips I'm giving you are tips that many people would not give to you, but I'm giving them to you for free in this channel. So to appreciate my efforts, to go to like my video, do also subscribe and tell me the country you're watching this video from in the comment section. This video, I'll be telling you how I use okra water. Yes, okra water to trim down. And I'll also be showing you how to prepare okra water at the comfort of your home. Yes, and then you might say okra. Yes, the okra the very simple okra a very inexpensive fruit that is loaded with a lot of soluble fiber, and how it has, really helped me to, lose weight. Now, the major reason why people add weight is because most of the times they eat in between meals. You know those food you eat after breakfast, you then eat before lunch, after lunch you eat before dinner, those in between meals, and when you eat so much at a time, these are majorly the foods that, make people add weight. And I'm going to be telling you how okra is a super fruit, is a super food that should be the best friend of anybody who is trying to lose weight. Many of you don't know, but let me tell you, okra is one food that is high and very high in soluble fiber. What does it do to your body? It makes you feel full for long. It craves, this unnecessary craving. This craving to go and eat sweets, to go and eat biscuits in between meals. Okra, okra carves that out. Yes. And how did I achieve this? I achieved this because most of the times after my slim tea water, the green tea water I told you about in the other video, days where I don't feel like taking the green tea water, what I do, especially when I'm, close to that wongoro time, and I want to wongoro where, I start taking okra water. Let's say 1 week before I want to wongoro. Yes, I start taking that okra water because it makes you very slippery down there. In another video, I'll be telling you how okra water helps, boosting a woman's cervical mucus, how okra water boosting, sweetness. It increases libido, but that is not it for this video. In this video, we're talking about, how I use okra water to, to lose weight. Yes. So once I'm close to the period time of the month for me, I use green tea water because it helps flushes out, those unnecessary toxins. But once I'm close to that time of period is over, I want to wongoro, I use okra water. I'm just telling you time of the month. Yeah, you can use okra water and that my green tea water, and you will see wonders. Trust me, you're going to see wonders. So guys, after I start when I want to wongoro, after that time of the month, I start taking okra water on an empty tummy. On an empty tummy, I take it and it makes me feel filled. But again, the okra water and 2 boiled eggs in the morning, I feel like I don't have that extra appetite to eat more food. I don't have that extra appetite to, to go and snack on sweets, to go and snack on biscuits, because the soluble fiber in that okra water makes me feel filled for a very long time. I know you're asking, how do I do this okra water at the comfort of your home? I'll be putting the video here so you can watch the video and then we come back. you do not also know that taking okra water also helps to, reduce blood sugar. Yes, blood sugar we all know is something that is very frequent with women and also with men. But I noticed that more recently women are having more of a high blood sugar, levels. Why? Because of the amount of food we eat and the starchy food. The starchy content of our food here, especially in Africa, we eat a lot of rice, curry, spaghetti. Most of these foods are very, very, very high in starch. And that's why it looks as if many women are suffering from, high blood sugar. If you start taking this okra water, you will notice that in 2 months, your high blood sugar level will reduce. This is something that is tested and trusted. Yes. If you're a woman watching this video and you know that you suffer from high blood sugar, I want you to start snacking on okra water. By the time you start snacking on okra water on an empty stomach in the morning, you will notice that in the space of 2 months, your blood sugar will reduce. And you all know what blood sugar does. See diabetes. And you know when a woman is older and she has diabetes, her wound will be, harder to heal. Any small injury, that is it. So you don't want to, start tackling diabetes until you are in the, the older phase of your life. Now that you're younger, snack on okra water that is cheap, non-expensive, yet very, very effective. So guys, I hope you have learned how I also use okra water to lose weight. Thanks for watching this video to this very point. Do all to like, do all to subscribe. I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.